Hey, did you know that you can add hyperlinks into your spreadsheet? So whether you want them to go to a specific area in your spreadsheet, or if you just want to lead them to a different website, maybe you have some students or some customers and you want to lead them back to your own website, there's an awesome and easy way to do that. So we're going to learn two different hyperlinks here. We're going to learn one that goes to an external website, and then the second one is where we actually link to somewhere else in the spreadsheet. So the first one is I'm going to quickly show you. We're going to hop over to Pet 2. If you want to learn how to create this pet care planner, I do have a free workshop. I am going to link it below in case you want to learn. So if I have a quick links area and I want to link it directly to my website, what I want to do is I want to grab that link first, the URL to my website, and then wherever in any cell, you can even rewrite it to say like, visit my shop. Basically, you want to give a call to action of like where you want to lead your customers to. So you're going to write that inside of a cell, and it could be a big cell, it could be a small cell, wherever you want to put it. And then you're going to select that cell, right click, and go to insert link. And this is where you're just going to copy and paste that URL inside there. So I'm just going to paste in my checkout for my free workshop, and I'm just going to click apply. So now anytime a customer is on this specific page, they could just hover above or click on it, and then they can click on the button and it will automatically open up that external website. So this is a great way to lead people to your email list. If you have a free gift for them, if you want them to visit your shop, if you have a discount for your shop and it's included in the URL, you can include or insert that specific link as well. So it gives them a little bit of a discount for their next purchase. There's a lot of different ways you can use hyperlinks inside of your spreadsheet. So that's just the first way. Now let's talk about linking to inside of our spreadsheet. So for example, let me go over to Pet 1. I have a pretty big spreadsheet right here. So we've got a few different areas that tracks for the pets. But for my links here, I wanted to make it super easy. My customers can just click on the link and it hops over to that specific section. Instead of them having to scroll and find that specific section, I wanted that quick links. So as you can see, I could just hover over any of these, click on it, and it will go over, sorry, that one went to the vets and vaccines, but I'm going to click on the grooming log and it will automatically pop me over there. So I'm going to show you how to create a link from inside of your spreadsheet. So it doesn't matter whatever page you want it to go on. So let's say, for example, I want to put in my grooming log for my pet 2. So I'm just going to scroll over to wherever that area is. You're going to select the cell that you want to create that hyperlink for. So I'm going to select my grooming log, and then I'm going to right click, scroll all the way down, go to view more action cell or more cell actions, and then get linked to this range. So now it's going to copy that to the clipboard. Now all you need to do is go back to that area where you've written your little quick links area. So again, you can phrase it however you want. So you're going to put in the name of the section in there. So this one already had grooming log in there. I would just type that in, and then I'm going to select the cell, right click, insert link, and then I'm going to paste that in there and click apply. So now anytime the customer wants to quickly get over there, they can just hover over and then click on the link and it will jump them there. So this is an easy way to hyperlink and to connect your spreadsheet areas, especially if you have a lot of different tabs. You can also make a sidebar where it has all the different quick links, so it's easy access for your customers to get to where they want to go. So you want to think when you are creating your spreadsheets, how can I make it super easy for my customers to get where they need to go? So it's just a great little add-on. So that's how to easily add in your own hyperlinks, whether it's going to your external website or whether it's going to a specific area inside of your spreadsheet. Works both ways. Let me know if you have any questions or if you have any requests for videos. I do have a free course as well as that free workshop where I show you how to create a similar, more simplified spreadsheet like this. But I will link everything below. So thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.